morning students. So in the last class we have solved up to 10th problem. So let us start with the 11th one. So see here. I consider this as y which is equal to x cos x to the power x plus x sin x plus x sin x to the power 1 by x. Now see here, I consider this as u and the second term as v. So here u which is equal to x cos x to the power x, and then v which is equal to x sin x to the power 1 by x sin x to the power 1 by x. So now see here, we have to rewrite y. Therefore y which is equal to u plus v. Now differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. So what do we get now? Dy by dx which is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx I call this as equation number 1. So now we have to go for du by dx. So here now u which is equal to x cos x to the power x cos x to the power x. Now we have to take log on both the sides. So see here, take log on both sides. So if you take log on both sides, this x comes in the beginning. It comes in the beginning now. So see here, log u which is equal to x into log of x cos x. Now we have to differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. So what do we get now? 1 by u du by dx which is equal to, here we will have to apply the product rule. So derivative of the first function, it is 1. So 1 into log of x cos x plus now write the first term as it is and then differentiate the second term. Log of x cos x, it is 1 by x cos x into the derivative of the inside function. We have to apply the product rule here, x cos x. So now I put the bracket here. Now see here, derivative of x, it is 1 into cos x, and then now write the first function as it is. Take the derivative of the second function. What is d by dx of cos x? It is minus sin x. So here plus into minus, it is minus. So directly I will write minus here. So minus x sin x close the bracket. So now see here, 1 by u du by dx which is equal to 1 into log of x cos x, it is log of x cos x plus. So now x and x get cancels. Now this cos x will be divided to both the terms. Now cos x divided by cos x, it is 1. So I write 1 here. Then minus x, I am going to write it as it is. Then sin x divided by cos x, it is tan x minus tan x. So now in the next step, I take u to the RHS. So du by dx which is equal to u times this particular term as it is. log x cos x plus 1 minus x tan x minus x tan x. So now we have to replace u. What is u here? U is going to be x cos x to the power x. So du by dx, which is equal to x cos x to the power x. Then write this particular term as it is. So it is log x cos x plus 1 minus x tan x minus x tan x. I call this as equation number 2. In the next step, we have to go for dv by dx. Since we don't have much space, so pause the video to note it down. Okay, now we have to find dv by dx. For that, I have considered v, which is equal to x sin x to the power 1 by x. Let us take log on both the sides. Take log on both sides. Now we get log v, which is equal to, so if we take log, this comes in the beginning, 1 by x into log of x sin x. So now we have to differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x, we get 1 by v dv by dx, which is equal to, here we have to apply the product rule. So 1 by x is the first term, log of x sin x is the second term. Now we have to go for derivative of the first term. What is the d by dx of 1 by x? It is minus 1 by x square. We get minus 1 divided by x square. Now into second term must be written as it is, into log of x sin x. Log of x sin x plus, so see here, u dash v plus u v dash. Now we have to write 1 by x as it is. 1 by x as it is. Take the derivative of the second function, log of x sin x. So it is 1 by x sin x, 1 by x sin x into the derivative of the inside function, d by dx of x sin x. Again we have to apply the product rule here. So derivative of x, it is 1. So 1 into sin x, 1 into sin x plus x rated as it is into cos x. So now let us continue with the next step here. 1 by v dv by dx, 1 by v dv by dx, which is equal to, now minus 1 into log of x sin x will give us minus log of x sin x divided by x square plus, now see here, x into x, it is x square, and here it is sin x. So 1 by x square sin x will be multiplied with both the terms. So see here, overall we get sin x divided by x square sin x plus, now x cos x divided by x square sin x sin x. So here sin x and sin x get cancels. So here x and 1x get cancels. So let us rewrite the terms here. So now, so here 1 by v dv by dx, 1 by v dv by dx, which is equal to minus log x sin x, log x sin x divided by x square plus 1 by x square. Sin x and sin x got cancelled out. So we get 1 by x square, and then plus cos x divided by sin x, it is cot x, and then we have one more x in the denominator. So it is plus cot x divided by x. Now let us take up the LCM of all these three terms. The LCM will be x square. So here 1 by v dv by dx, which is equal to, the LCM will be x square. So now minus log sin x plus 1 plus x cot x plus 1 plus x cot x. Now in the next step we have to take v to the RHS, it goes to the numerator. So here dv by dx, which is equal to, so v, what is v now? V, it is x sin x to the power 1 by x, that I have to write here, x sin x to the power 1 by x. So I am taking v to the RHS here, v into this particular term. In place of v, I have written directly x sin x to the power 1 by x. Now write the remaining term as it is. So into minus log sin x plus 1 plus x cot x plus x cot x divided by x square. I call this as equation number 3. So now we have to substitute equation 1 and equation 2 in equation number 1. So see here, put 2 and 3 in 1. So dy by dx, which is equal to, first we have to write this particular equation, x cos x to the power x cos x to the power x, inside the bracket log of x cos x plus 1 minus x tan x. This is the du by dx plus dv by dx plus, I write here. Now we have to write this particular term, x sin x to the power 1 by x. So write the remaining term now inside the bracket, minus log sin x plus 1 plus x cot x divided by x square. So this is the final answer for the 11th question. So pause the video to note it down.